Hello, my dear sister Lolly. It's your birthday and a very special day. Welcome to the Club of Seniors. Diba? Saan kaya ang celebration? Manila Hotel? Diamond Hotel? O sa Bahamas na lang, malapit lang yun. Kayang-kaya natin yan. Meron akong gown. Napakarami kong gown na bigay pa ni Remy. Sana, imbitahan mo ako. Kasi, para masuot ko yung mga gown na yun. Diba? Just kidding. Alam mo, masaya ako kasi nakarating ka na sa edad na ito. Umabot ka sa edad na to. Kasi napakaraming discount. Pero sa mga ibang establishment lang, yung iba naman hindi nagbibigay. Pero mabuti na rin kasi pati sa medicine, sa groceries, at sa mga resto, palagi ka pa namang nasa resto, di ba? Yun, meron ng mga discount. Okay, wish you all the best. Happiest birthday to you. Bless you. And I love you and hug you from all of us here in Mutok and Bigoy family. Mutok Bigoy family. Mwah! I love you. Happy birthday. Akala ko Merry Christmas pa kasi tinan mo yung background ko. Merry pa. Merry Christmas pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Bye-bye. Enjoy! Hi, Lolet! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear I. Happy birthday to you! 60 years old!
Woo!
10!
Yeah!
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lolet. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
And some more.
And we'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon.
Okay. Happy birthday, Lolet. Bye-bye.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy. Bye.
Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room.
Surprise! Happy birthday, my sister Lolit, and you are now 60. So, welcome to the world of a senior citizen. Ayan, so, may enjoy mo na yung mga privileges and discount as a senior citizen. And I'm sure madalas na kayong mas dadalas yung pag-date nyo ni Chong Jerry dahil dalawa na kayong may discount, di ba? So, my wish for you on your birthday is to stay beautiful as ever and continue to be a loving wife, loving mother, and loving grandmother to your apos. And of course, I want you to stay healthy and more blessings to come your way. So, happy birthday again, sister. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room.
Surprise, surprise! Good morning! Dito na lang ako gagawa ng video kasi very busy ako eh. Anyways, ito papasok ako. Papunta na ako sa kitchen. Happy birthday, Loli! From Saipan with Love. Yan. Wish ko lang you will have a happier life and good health and more birthdays to come. Wow, 60 years old ka na. Dati 6 ka pa lang, ako 5 years old. Ngayon, 60 ka na, ako 59. Enjoy life to the fullest. Kasi syempre, medyo majonda na rin tayo. Ayun lang ang masasabi ko. Mamadali ako. Kasi malilate na ako. Actually, late na ako. Happy birthday again. I miss you. Love you. And God bless you. Bye-bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hello, Tita Loli! Happy 60th birthday!
Wishing you a wonderful day filled with love and joy.
You are truly special, and we hope that this year brings you all the love and happiness in the world.
Love you.
Bye!
Hello, hello, hello! So today we are celebrating the special birthday of our dear Tita Lolit. It's not just an ordinary day because it's her 60th birthday. So Tita, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. I'm sure kasama mo yung family mo. And I'm sure you're having a great time today. So I wish you all the best in the world. Stay healthy, stay happy. Sana maging matagal pa yung life mo para makasama pa ng matagal yung family mo. And that's it. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon. Happy birthday, Tita! We love you. Bye-bye.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy.
Hi, Loli! Happy 60th birthday! Welcome to the club, Loli. Mag-enjoy ka ng mga discount sa pagbili sa mga groceries, sa mga ibang pagkain, sa Jollibee, sa McDonald's. Pero mag-ingat sa mga katawan mo para hindi ka maka-discount sa Mercury. Even though may discount, pero mahal pa rin. Ingat ka sa iyong mga pagkakasakit sa lahat, lalo na sa mga diabetes. Kita mo si Ate Malumo sa diabetes na wala. Kaya mag-ingat ka, Hindi lang doon, kundi sa iba sakit pa. Yun lang.
Hi Tita, yes, happy birthday po. Ayun po, health is wealth. Yun, unahin ang kalusugan. Lagi po mag-iingat sa mga biyahe. Lagi po naman kayo nagdadrive. Ayun, happy birthday po.
Hi, Tita Loli. Happy 60th birthday po. Good health lang po. Good health and God bless always.
Lola, it's Lola. Greet Lola, sabay na kayo.
Hi, Tita Loli.
Lola.
Hi, Loli. Happy 60th birthday.
Bye!
Bye!
Bye-bye from lahat. Happy birthday.
Hi
Tita Loli.
Happy 60th birthday! Welcome to the club.
Hi,
Tita Loli.
Happy 60th birthday.
Oh, hindi rin ako hindi ako nagsalita. Ulit. Hi, Tita Lolit. Happy birthday. Tita Lolit
Birthday!
Happy birthday. Ano ba?
Hi, Tita Lolit.
Hi, Tita Lolit.
Hi, Tita Lolit.
Happy birthday.
60th birthday dapat. Another one.
Hello. May birthday message ako para sa pinakamagandang asawa ng pitsad ko na mukhang 40 years old lang, na mabait, masipag, matalino, madiskarte, at ma-PR, maraming kaibigan, religious. Ay, teka muna. Sino ba yun? Si Lolit ba yun? Parang, baka hindi. Hindi. Siyempre si Lolit yun. Ako ay natutuwa na 60 years old ka na rin. Damay-damay na tayo. Pero, it doesn't matter. Hindi naman mukhang 60 years old ka. You look young and you are young at heart. That's what is important. Pa-English pa ako, no? Sige, in behalf of my family na hindi ko na mabuo, lagi kaming watak-watak, na marami silang lakad. Ako na lang ang nag-represent sa kanila. Happy birthday, happy 60th birthday, and more blessings to come, good health, and may you have a happy life in a many more years to come. Be a happy grandma, be a happy mother, be a happy friend, and let's keep in touch. Okay. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Oh, yeah. She's a wild.
Hi, Lolit. Happy birthday, and be safe, and God bless you. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Hi Lolit, happy 60th birthday. I wish you good health and more blessings to come on this special day of yours. Praying that God will give you all the desires of your heart. And since senior ka na today, at matagal-tagal na rin tayong di nagbabanding, puro drawing. Tara, kulayan na natin yan. Gamitin natin yung senior ID mo. Miss na kita. At kita-kits soon. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day with your family.
Happy birthday, my kumare and my BFF. Remember, we just met in Ayala Feliz today, and we had a good time. So, naisip ko ngayon na lang i-record tong video for your birthday. And they said life begins at 40, and but clearly, as someone is as fabulous as you are, as far as I know, you rock like a superstar in any manner. Well, for me, because yeah, I found you are really an amazing person, not only as a friend, as a mom, as a wife to your husband. And what I admire most about you, you are very patient, very accommodating, friendly. Hindi magkaiba tayo dun kasi ako, I really choose my friends, and well, swerte ka. Hindi siya. You really deserve a good friend or friends. Hindi lang siguro ako, marami kang friends. But, siguro ako yung gauge mo na talagang mabait kang tao kasi I really like yung mga kind people. So, now that you're turning 60, I'm convinced that it's not another excuse for you to live with grace, with humor, and with a touch of
To a very loving mother and kind colleague, happy birthday. Gulat ka, no? Ang tagal na nating magkakilala since 2008. Maliliit pa sila Gab at Gia. And I'm grateful that our paths crossed. Marami akong natutunan sa'yo, both as a friend and as a colleague. Ano-ano kaya yung mga yun, no? Well, to name some, sa'yo ko natutunan to be calm amid storm and chaos. Sa'yo ko rin natutunan to be cheerful amidst pressure. And most importantly, natutunan ko sa'yo to be prayerful, be it in happy times or in dark times. Milestone ang birthday mo ngayon. I hope you're enjoying. So, I'll see you very soon. We're colleagues very soon. Magkikita tayo tuwing Sabado. Sana masaya ka today. And I know you're with your family. And when you're with your family, you're always telling me you're very happy. And your family is your peace of mind and joy. So, happy birthday, Ma'am Lolit. Take care always. Regards to the entire family.
Hello, Tokayo. Balita ko, birthday mo daw. So, happy 60th birthday. I hope na maging masaya ka, kasama mo ang pamilya mo. And, enjoy na tayo ng buhay. We are all not getting any younger. So, enjoy na. Time to shine. Sabi nga, ang pagiging ina ay forever. But, we should give ourselves a break, mga mothers. Happy birthday!
Satu, dua, tiup-tiupnya. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, selamat ulang tahun. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, semoga panjang umur.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Aliton.
Wish you more love and abundance. Wish you more reels to watch.
More coffee together. Good health always.
More grandchildren.
More brownies to bake.
More chocolates and happiness.
Happy 60th birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday, Ate Lolit. And I can't imagine the years we've been together, coffee together, sharing our career, situations in our career, family, and personal concerns. And I would like to thank you sa lahat ng mga advice mo. And really, I miss you, especially our coffee sessions. Again, happy 60th and more blessings. Happy and healthy. Together with Kuya Jerry, kayo, I do hope that more happy years and healthy years together. I love you, ate. And again, happy birthday.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.